This little fruit, most of you walk past it in the grocery store without a second thought. But what if I told you that eating just a small handful of these, about 30 minutes before you go to sleep, could be one of the most powerful things you do for your eyesight this year? I'm Zeaxanthin, and as an eye specialist, I've spent years studying what actually works for long-term vision health, not just what sounds good in a headline. And what I'm about to share with you today is not the typical eat your carrots advice you've heard 1,000 times. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to tell you the one thing about nighttime eye repair that almost nobody is talking about. And once you understand it, you'll never look at bedtime the same way again. Here's something that blew my mind in medical school, and honestly, it still does. Your eyes are the most metabolically active tissue in your entire body. Per gram of tissue, your retina consumes more oxygen than your heart muscle. Let that sink in. More than your heart. That means your retina is under almost constant oxidative stress, especially if you're spending hours in front of screens. And blue light from those screens, it doesn't just make it harder to sleep. It physically damages a pigment in your eye called rhodopsin, the molecule your rod cells use to see in low light. Every night, while you sleep, your body tries to rebuild it. Here's where it gets fascinating. There's a specific window, roughly 90 minutes into deep sleep, where your retinal cells undergo what scientists call photoreceptor renewal. Your eye is essentially running a repair program. And what fuels that repair? The nutrients that were in your bloodstream when you fell asleep. This is why what you eat before bed matters for your eyes in a way that nobody talks about. And the fruit that does the best job of loading your system with exactly the right nutrients before that repair window, it's not what you think. It's not blueberries. It's not oranges. And it's definitely not carrots. 1. The reveal. The fruit is the Tart cherry, specifically Montmorency Tart cherries. Now, before you click away thinking I knew it was a berry or something, hear me out. Because the reason Tart cherries are the Hasson bedtime fruit for eye health isn't just one thing. It's a double mechanism that no other fruit has in the same combination. Mechanism 1. Anthocyanins. These are the dark red pigments that give Tart cherries their color. But here's what's remarkable. In a study at the University of Michigan, researchers found that the anthocyanins in Tart cherries can cross the blood-retinal barrier. That's the protective filter around your eye. They get in, they start neutralizing free radicals, the oxidative damage we talked about directly inside your retinal tissue. And they do something else. They help regenerate rhodopsin, that same molecule that blue light was destroying. Japanese researchers studying pilot night vision found that anthocyanin supplementation improved dark adaptation, the ability to see in low light, by up to 20% in some subjects. But that's only one mechanism. Let me be honest with you for a second. If I just told my patients eat Tart cherries before bed, most of them would look at me and say, "Doc, I can barely remember to take my vitamins. Now you want me to buy a specific type of cherry?" And I get it. So let me give you the practical version. You don't need fresh Montmorency cherries, which, by the way, are only in season for about 3 weeks a year. Tart cherry juice concentrate, which you can find at most health food stores or online. Just 2 tablespoons diluted in water gives you the same anthocyanin payload. Some people mix it into a small smoothie. Others take Tart cherry capsules. The point is, the delivery method is flexible. The timing is what matters. 2. The melatonin secret. Okay. Mechanism 2 and this one genuinely surprised me. Tart cherries are one of the only whole foods on Earth that contain naturally occurring melatonin. Now you know melatonin as the sleep hormone. But here's what most people, including a lot of doctors, don't realize. Melatonin is also a potent antioxidant, and it has a specific affinity for the eye. Research published in the Journal of Pineal Research found that melatonin receptors exist directly in the retina and the optic nerve. And when melatonin binds to those receptors at night, it actively reduces intraocular pressure, That's the pressure inside your eye that, when chronically elevated, is one of the leading risk factors for glaucoma. People spend hundreds of dollars on prescription eye drops to manage intraocular pressure, and here's a food that does it naturally, while also helping you sleep better, while also feeding your retina anthocyanins for repair. This is why I call it the double mechanism fruit. Nothing else on the grocery shelf does both of these things simultaneously. I want to tell you about a patient I'll call Ashley. She came to me at 44. Screen-heavy job, graphic designer. Her complaint was what we call digital eye strain. That gritty, burning feeling at the end of the day, blurry vision by evening, and she was starting to struggle with driving at night. Classic signs of oxidative damage and early macular stress. We ran tests. Her macular pigment optical density, basically the protective sunscreen inside her eye, was below the optimal range. I walked her through lifestyle adjustments, 20-20-20 rule for screen use, blue light filtering, and yes, I told her to start drinking Tart cherry juice every night before bed. 3 months later, she came back. Her MPOD scores had improved. Her night driving was better. She told me she was also sleeping deeper than she had in years. One small habit, compounding quietly. She asked me why nobody had told her this before. Honestly, I didn't have a great answer. 3. What about blueberries? Now I know what half of you are thinking. But doctor, I always heard blueberries are the best fruit for eyes. Are you saying I've been wrong? Not exactly. Blueberries are excellent. They also contain anthocyanins and have solid research behind them for eye health. I'm not here to tell you to throw out your blueberries. But here's the key difference, and this is important. Blueberries have no melatonin, and when you eat them matters less, because they don't have that nighttime double mechanism we discussed. Think of it this way. Blueberries are a great daytime eye food. Tart cherries are specifically optimized for nighttime eye repair. They were essentially built for what happens in your eye while you sleep. And there's one more fruit worth mentioning as a strong runner-up. Runner-up fruit. Kiwi fruit, especially green kiwi, is one of the highest food sources of lutein and zeaxanthin per gram. These are the only two carotenoids that accumulate in the human macula. Your body cannot manufacture them. You have to eat them. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as internal sunglasses. They filter the high-energy blue and UV wavelengths that cause the most long-term retinal damage. Studies show that people with the highest dietary intake of these two nutrients have a 41% lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. So here's my ideal bedtime eye health protocol if you want to go to the next level. Tart cherry juice plus 2 kiwis, about 45 minutes before bed. That's all. Simple, powerful. All right, let me bring it all home for you. Here's what we covered today. Your retina undergoes active repair during deep sleep, and what's in your bloodstream when that window opens determines how well that repair goes. Tart cherries are the only fruit with the double mechanism anthocyanins that cross the blood-retinal barrier and restore rhodopsin, and natural melatonin that reduces intraocular pressure and directly protects the optic nerve. Blueberries are great to eat during the day. Add kiwi at night for lutein and zeaxanthin support. 2 tablespoons of tart cherry juice concentrate in water, 30 to 45 minutes before bed. That's the habit. If this video helped you, please share it with someone who's worried about their eyes, because the earlier people know this, the better. I'll see you in the next one.